Hey guys, Larry Brooks here, and I'm really excited today to take you guys along with me on this review of some new high-intensity LED shop lights that I'm gonna give my workshop a major upgrade with today. So let's take a look at how these things work. Okay, so the first thing I need to do here is get a power cable to use to hook this light up with, and instead of using a new one, I'm going to take apart this old little mini table saw that doesn't work so well anymore, and I'm going to use the power cable from this device and hook it up to this new shop light. Now, once you get your power cable prepared, it doesn't get much easier than this. You have your green for your ground, you have your white and your black, your positive and negative, and you just have to strip some wires. And then it's nice that this shop light comes with the wires already pre-tinned, so they're ready to go. And then it comes with a couple of these wire nuts, which is super handy. So you just zip this all together and then you're ready to start installation. And this light comes with these nice steel braided cables that you can use for mounting the light, and they're super adjustable. You can adjust the length and you can adjust the camber of them, so you can hang this light any which way that you need to in your shop. It has these little discs that keep it from slipping out, and it's really easy to hook this up. You just slide those in there. And now my shop has a low ceiling, so fortunately there's a little set screw inside of this hanging cable that you can remove, and then you can take off the length of the cable that I'm not going to need. So this is what I have been using for my shop light in my little art studio here, and this thing is just not cutting it for me. And I have this up here because this light socket that was installed in here years ago doesn't work anymore. So I'm so stoked to have these new LED shop lights that I'm going to put up here, and this is going to light my space up like never before. So I'm just going to mark off the measurements for the 2-foot length of the light. I'm going to zip a couple of hooks up here and then hang this guy up, and that's all there is to it. I mean, this thing is secure, and I'm going to run my cable. Okay, and now for the moment of truth. Let's see how this puppy works. Oh, all right. Wow. Incredible. I can't wait to be in here tonight and see what a difference this light is going to make in my shop. Okay, cool. Now I might be able to actually see in this shop and get to clean it up once and for all. We'll see about that. But I love this light. This is one of my new brand partners, and this comes in a 4-pack. You can find these on Amazon. I'm going to go hook these other ones up in a couple other places on my property. Stoked on this light. Check these guys out.